Let's consider how dating has evolved. Traditionally, finding a partner involved meeting people in person, planning dates, and going out to places like restaurants. These methods relied heavily on chance encounters and personal networks. But the landscape of dating has dramatically shifted. The smartphone in your pocket now holds the potential to connect you with thousands of potential partners. This transition represents more than just a change in medium. It's a fundamental shift in how we approach relationships. At the heart of modern dating apps lies artificial intelligence. These aren't just simple matching systems, they're sophisticated algorithms designed to learn from vast amounts of user data. Every swipe, every message, every profile view feeds into these systems, allowing them to predict your preferences with increasing accuracy over time. The AI in dating apps manifests in several key features. The heart represents matching algorithms that go beyond simple demographics, considering behavior patterns and subtle preferences. The gears symbolize personalized recommendations, constantly adjusting based on your interactions. The chart indicates data driven insights, helping you understand your own dating patterns and potentially even suggesting ways to improve your chances of finding a compatible partner. As we continue, we'll explore the implications of entrusting such a personal aspect of our lives to AI. How does this technology shape our expectations, choices, and ultimately our relationships? And what are the ethical considerations we need to keep in mind as we navigate this new frontier of digital matchmaking? Imagine your smartphone as the gateway to AI powered matchmaking. This device, which many of us use daily, is now becoming a portal to finding potential romantic partners. The AI matchmaking process unfolds in three crucial steps. Each step plays a vital role in transforming your personal information into potential romantic connections. The first step is data collection. Here, the AI gathers a wealth of information about you. This includes your profile details such as age, location, and interests. It also collects your stated preferences for a partner and, interestingly, your behavior within the app. Every swipe, every message, and every interaction becomes valuable data. Next comes AI processing, the heart of the matchmaking algorithm. This step involves complex machine learning models, often including neural networks. These models analyze patterns in your data, comparing it with thousands or even millions of other users. They're designed to understand nuanced preferences that you might not even be consciously aware of. Finally, we reach match generation. Based on the intricate processing of your data, the AI produces a list of potential matches. These aren't random selections, but carefully curated suggestions that the AI believes have a high probability of compatibility with you. It's important to note that this process is dynamic, continuously learning and adapting based on your ongoing interactions within the app. This AI driven approach to matchmaking represents a significant shift from traditional dating methods. It leverages vast amounts of data and complex algorithms to potentially increase the odds of finding compatible partners. However, it also raises important questions about privacy, the nature of compatibility, and the role of human intuition in romantic connections. As we explore the intersection of AI and dating, let's visualize the differences between traditional dating methods and AI assisted matchmaking. On the left, we see a representation of traditional dating. Notice the abundance of potential matches, reflecting the wide pool of options in conventional dating methods. Observe how the hearts above each figure are different colors. This symbolizes the often mismatched nature of traditional dating, where compatibility isn't always guaranteed, despite numerous options. Now, let's shift our attention to the right side, which illustrates AI-assisted dating. Notice there are fewer figures, representing a more curated selection of potential matches. Here, the hearts match the colors of the figures. This visual metaphor suggests that AI algorithms aim to identify more compatible matches based on user preferences, interests, and behaviors. The green checkmark on the AI-assisted side emphasizes the potential for increased efficiency and compatibility in the matchmaking process. However, it's crucial to remember that while AI can suggest matches, it can't guarantee success or replace human connection. This visualization highlights the key difference. Traditional dating offers more options, but potentially less compatibility, while AI assisted dating aims for fewer, but potentially more suitable matches. It's important to consider both the benefits and limitations of using AI in such a personal aspect of life. As AI increasingly influences our personal lives, let's examine its role in dating apps and the ethical challenges it presents. The first ethical concern we'll explore is data privacy, represented by this lock icon. Dating apps collect vast amounts of personal information, including preferences, behaviors, and even location data. How this sensitive information is stored, used, and protected is a critical issue. Next, we have algorithmic bias, symbolized by the scale. AI algorithms in dating apps may inadvertently perpetuate societal biases, potentially favoring certain groups over others based on factors like race, age, or appearance. This raises questions about fairness and equal opportunities in digital matchmaking. Lastly, the puppet icon represents potential manipulation. AI-powered dating apps could exploit user psychology to increase engagement, potentially prioritizing app usage over genuine connections. This raises concerns about the authenticity of interactions and the app's true motivations. These three elements form a complex ethical landscape surrounding AI in dating. Let's examine each in more detail. Data privacy is crucial in the context of dating apps. Users share intimate details about their lives, preferences, and even vulnerabilities. The misuse or breach of this data could have severe consequences, from identity theft to personal embarrassment or even blackmail. Algorithmic bias in dating apps can reinforce societal prejudices. For instance, if the AI consistently suggests matches based on similar ethnic backgrounds, it could limit diversity in relationships and perpetuate social divisions. It's crucial to ensure these algorithms are fair and inclusive. The potential for manipulation is perhaps the most subtle yet pervasive concern. AI could be programmed to keep users engaged on the app rather than helping them form meaningful connections. This could involve showing more attractive profiles to encourage continued use or creating addictive feedback loops that prioritize app engagement over real-world meetups. As we navigate the world of AI-powered dating, it's essential to be aware of these ethical concerns. Users should critically evaluate the apps they use, understand their data policies, and be mindful of how AI might be influencing their choices and behaviors in the digital dating landscape. Imagine entrusting your love life to artificial intelligence. It sounds futuristic, but it's becoming a reality. Let's explore the journey of using an AI-powered dating app and see how it might reshape our approach to finding a partner. The journey begins with downloading the app. This isn't just any dating app. It's powered by sophisticated AI algorithms designed to understand and predict human compatibility. Next, you set up your profile. But here's where it gets interesting. The AI doesn't just ask for your basic information. It might analyze your speech patterns, facial expressions, or even your social media activity to build a comprehensive personality profile. Then comes the exciting part, receiving matches. The AI doesn't just consider superficial preferences. It uses complex algorithms to predict compatibility based on a multitude of factors, potentially offering matches you might never have considered otherwise. Finally, you go on a date. But even here, the AI might play a role, perhaps suggesting conversation topics or activities based on your shared interests. It's a brave new world of tech-assisted romance. This timeline represents the key stages in the AI dating app experience. Each step is infused with artificial intelligence, from the initial download to the final date. It's a fascinating blend of technology and human emotion, raising important questions about the role of AI in our most personal decisions. As we navigate this new landscape, we must consider both the potential benefits and the ethical implications of allowing algorithms to influence our love lives. Imagine a scale representing the complex interplay between human intuition and artificial intelligence in the realm of relationships. This visual metaphor will help us explore the nuances of how technology is influencing our most personal connections. Notice how the scale initially tilts towards human intuition. This reflects our traditional reliance on gut feelings, emotional intelligence, and personal experiences when it comes to matters of the heart. For centuries, we've trusted our instincts to guide us in finding and maintaining relationships. As we watch the scale gradually balance, consider how AI is becoming more sophisticated in analyzing patterns, preferences, and compatibility factors. This shift represents the growing role of technology in matchmaking, relationship advice, and even in predicting long term compatibility. However, it's crucial to understand that this balance doesn't imply that AI is superior, but rather that it's becoming a complementary tool to our innate human understanding. Let's delve deeper into a critical question that arises from this AI human balance in relationships. This question challenges us to critically examine the role of AI in our personal lives. It's not just about whether AI can perform certain tasks, but how its involvement might fundamentally alter the nature of human connections. Consider the potential benefits and risks as we integrate more technology into our romantic lives. As we contemplate these questions, it's important to recognize that the future of relationships likely lies in a thoughtful integration of AI capabilities and human emotional intelligence. While AI can process vast amounts of data to suggest compatibility, it's our human capacity for empathy, intuition, and complex emotional understanding that brings depth to our connections. The key is to harness AI as a tool that enhances, rather than replaces, our innate human abilities in forming and nurturing relationships.